You may have noticed that when I did the whole house carpet cleaning for this dirt devil, I did not post the weighed results. So I'm going to do that now. The reason why I didn't post the weighed results is because I didn't have a chance to fully reset the carpet like I do about every 3.5 days. So I've reset the carpet 3.5 days ago, and we're going to start out with a bag weight of 45.60 grams. Just finished 1,000 square feet, so let's see what we managed to pick up. If you're new to my channel, my dirt normally consists of primarily fibrous material, carpet fibers, dog hair, and a little bit of fine dust and pretty much almost no sand. Okay, I'm going to call it at 53.69 grams minus the original 45.6, and we come up with a score of 8.09 grams. And just to let you know, my whole house cleaning 1,000 square foot corrected amounts, and that would be extracted for the bagless vacuums, happens to be 8.42 grams, not including this machine. I haven't added it in just yet because we just weighed it. So this machine was designed and sold certainly in the 1990s. I believe it has a date code on it that indicates 1997. And what that means is, after all these years, this dirt devil is basically about average across all types of vacuums. That would be battery-powered stick vacs, that'd be canisters, that would be high-power direct air machines, high airflow direct air machines, and all types of vacuums that are still in this machine's class. Let's take a closer look at this brush roll for a minute. You can kind of see it way up at the top of your screen with my wife's hair wrapped around it. Take a look at the bristle pattern of this brush roll. It's kind of like 2 rows of bristles. That's pretty much all it has, but they're in a slightly bent chevron-ish shape. I kind of hesitate to call this a chevron brush roll because usually I guess the pattern of it should be a little more exaggerated than this, but it works pretty well. So with 70 some odd CFM and whatever the suction tests were, this thing does a great job considering it's from 1997. So if you find one of these machines and it's in good shape like this one is, and I'm sure Thomas is very happy about that because this is his machine that he paid for, you should have a good experience with it, frankly. It will do a reasonable job. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.